going to the famous Maho Beach. I'm so excited. We were supposed to get here a little earlier, but we were partying to the wee hours, like 3 a.m. last night. So I'm so excited. We're on the way now. It's about 10:30, so we'll see how busy it is.
What's Maho Beach about?
To see the airplanes. Duh. Not kidding. Just to see the airplanes. To be honest with you, it's on everyone's bucket list. Get out of the road before you die. I want it to fly right over my head, so I'm trying to figure out where we're gonna go. Let's see.
So that is the airport behind us. We're on Maho Beach, waiting to see some planes come overhead and enjoying the vibes, because look how stunning the beach is. Look at the water. The water is beautiful. Right behind the plane here at Maho Beach. It's getting ready to take off. Crazy. Here we go. Here we go. It's taking off. Taking off. Let's not win. Taking off. Oh, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. I was expecting more of a blowback, but that wasn't too bad. Look, it's gone. Lift off. Taking off, going up and over the mountain. Wow. To be honest, I thought that was going to be more hectic than it was based on the YouTube videos I've seen, so I was getting ready to be blown away. But I didn't get blown away, man. It's all good though. I guess maybe that was a smaller one, or it just wasn't really in our face. Another one's coming though. That one might be bigger. How's the water?
Chilly, that's nice. That's nice. Not crazy hectic, the waves or anything.
The water is beautiful today. Sun is shining nicely on the water. Look at the colors.
So pretty.
Booming.
The water's so pretty.
Definitely recommend you guys to put this on your bucket list. Maho Beach, plane watching and enjoying. Are we in the Caribbean Sea? Is this the Caribbean Sea?
That's the Caribbean side, so that's what they say.
That would explain the color. The color is more turquoise. Very nice. Alright, just gonna get this plane coming over your head. Another one is lining up to take off, but this one looks like he's ready to go quick. Yeah, this one was ready to go. Look at that. That's a fast one. He just turned the corner and it's quick gone. Quick gone. And he's up and going over the mountain. Starts off like a little dot in the sky, a little white dot. Once it gets in here, I'm gonna try to track it for you. It's coming in, it's coming in. Got a whole load of people waiting to see it come in. Everybody's waiting. Everyone's trying to spot the plane. Everyone is here trying to spot the plane. Here it comes. It's coming, it's coming. been blasted by the jet fuel a few times. It's pretty crazy. I just noticed there's a sign that says danger jet blast. What's this doing? Your boy's just here. Let me try to get that selfie mode. Here we go. Look at that plane. Look at that plane coming in. Right here. Right here. Right over our heads. It's gonna come in right over our heads. Right over the head. Right over the head. The Maho Beach experience. People watching planes come in and land it. If you're for it, you can also be right behind the plane when it takes off to be hit with a jet blast. I don't know why I keep doing it. It's like my 4th time doing it. But if you see on this railing here, it says danger jet blast. Oh, we got one coming to land. So that big boy over there has been waiting. I think he needs some time to take off. So there's been a couple planes landing, but I'm hoping he's gonna take off. I'm gonna capture that blast. Maho Beach. Put it on your bucket list. I'm just here waiting for the big plane behind me to take off, but I think he needs some time because they're letting everybody come on in. There's been about 3 flights landing before this flight can take off. Alright. We got the big one coming through. We got the big one coming through. This is the one we've all been waiting for. We got a big banger. Yeah, this one's a big one. Holy. Jet blast might be serious from this one. People trying to take it in. People trying to take it in. Lee's all the way over there. She's not about this. Another one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Here comes the blast. Here it goes, about to take off. You can see everybody waiting. Let's get it, let's get it. Turn the jets on. squeezing my phone right now, making sure I don't go nowhere. He planted into the floor. That was hectic. That was hectic. Oh shit. And then for another one. We got another plane coming in. We got another plane getting ready to take off. I think that plane is waiting for this one to land. I kind of understand how everything works now.
Way too far off. Little blast, but not that much.